Hello children, welcome to this English teleteaching program. Today we are going to discuss our very interesting wonderful story which we discussed in the last session, that is the lost child, second part. So my dear children, as we have already discussed, India is a land of fairs and festivals. We celebrate many festivals basing on our traditions and customs, and in our locality, in our villages, we also observe different types of festivals. And this is a story which is about a child who visits a village fair with his father and mother. And we have discussed the first part, in which the writer, the Indian famous writer Mulak Raj Anath, very wonderfully described, narrated the interest of the child and the feeling of the child at the beginning and how he is moving towards the village fair. So, before going to the rest of the things, let's have a recap of the previous session and then we will go to the next part. So, we have finished the lost child first part, and we have also discussed about the poet. The poet is an Indian poet who writes English, who wrote English novels and English stories, and this story is one of his best creations. And in the first part of the story, The Lost Child, the writer narrates the events that happened during the visit of the child with his parents on the way to the fair. And the most important expressions I have written on the screen using red color: come child, come, look child, what is before you. These two expressions are very, very important for this part. And this expression tells us that the child is lagging behind at the time of walking to the village fair, nearest village, and the father and mother, they call the child, come child, come, and the mother says very tenderly, very softly, to divert the mind of the child, as the child wants to stop at each and every stall, each and every sight, to enjoy it, to buy it. So the mother very tenderly says, look child, what is before you. She wanted to divert the mind of the child. And we have also discussed being fascinated by many things, many attractive things and many attractive sights the child lags behind. And the attractive sights and the attractive things are like this line of toys, many toys which were displayed on the both sides of the road, and flowering mustard field, very vast field full of flowers, and the dragonflies, those who were collecting honey from the flowers, the raining petals of the grove mango trees, and the most important thing the writer wants to say, the call of the parents, the expressions they have used, what I have given on the top: come child, come, look child, what is before you. And this is all about the first part, right? Let's go to the second part. We have already discussed the summary. In the second part, what we are going to discuss using questions, you just see. In the second part, here you can find 6 pictures. You just see. Picture 1 is full of flowers. Picture 2 is a man is selling flowers and garlands, a flower seller. And the next picture, the next 2 pictures, they are about the balloon sellers, which are very, very attractive for the children, the babies, the children. They are really very much attracted towards the balloons. When they start crying for something, the mothers, the parents, they actually want to divert their mind by giving them balloons, different types of colors, different balloons of different colors. So my dear children. The second part begins with the arrival of the child and his parents at the fair, and they at the beginning they come across a flower seller, baskets full of flowers, and then a sweet meat seller, a seller who sells sweets, right? And a man who holds a pole with balloons, and a snake charmer using his musical instrument. He is playing the music, very very attractive sound, which usually the children they are fond of listening to the sound. And this child who is with the parents, who is visiting the village fair, he wants to stop there to listen to the very musical sound of the snake charmer, right? And the last one is the roundabout. Usually the children they are very much fond of sitting in the sewing. And the last line I have given, I want this, I want that. So in the first part, the parents they are very much worried about their children. They call them, come child come, look child look, what is before you. And here the child says, I want this, I want sweets, I want balloons, I want to listen to the music, the sound of the snake charmer. I want also to sit in the swing and all these things. That's why the writer says, I want, I want, I want. And this is the most important expression of this part. So let's discuss the questions of this part. I have designed 6 questions for this part 2. What kind of feeling came to the mind of the child at the time of entering the fair? Very interesting. माने लेखक चाहूँचंदी केमती सी अच्छी पिला. When the child reaches the fair, at the entrance, the child's mind is full of fear and eagerness. He is very much interested to see the wonderful things, and looking at the crowd, looking at a number of people, fear comes to his mind. पिले भय केबे ता जीवन रे एभली देखिनी, ताकू देखिकी लोक गहली ताकू डर लागुची, नुआ नुआ जिनस देखुची ताकू आग्रह लागुची. तेणु जेतले यात्रा से मेला रे पहुँची जाइछि ता मन रे भय सृष्टि होइछि, ता मन रे आग्रह भी सृष्टि होइछि. This is the experience, this is the child psychology, this is the mental state of a child when he goes to visit the village fair. Number 2, what things did the child see in the fair as described in this part 2 of the story? I have already shown you the pictures. A sweet meat seller, मीठा बिकुथिबा लोक, a flower seller, a balloon seller, a snake charmer, a roundabout. These are the most interesting things the child wants to see, wants to enjoy, and wants to have fun with all these things, right? Number 3, what happened to the child at the sweet meat seller? मिठा दुकान रे कौन हैला? बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग कथा. पिला मानकर जहा हुए तमे सब देखिछ, मिठा दुकान देखिले पाटू लाल बाहर रे. And the same thing, he stared open eyed, आखि खोली के देखिला. His mouth watered. Slowly he murmured, I want burfi. बड़ पटरे कहूनी भय करूची बापा without waiting moved on and murmured, I want burfi, I want burfi, I want burfi, right? So he was very much fond of eating sweets and he wanted to buy it and to have it, but without waiting for the reply of his parents, he moved on, he walked on, he left that place. Number 4, at every stall the child wanted to buy something, but without his father's reply he moved on. Why? He knew that his father would refuse to buy. जानिछि बापा केबे ताकू किनिबा ପାଇଁ ଦେବେନି, मना कर देबे. So the child knew that his father would refuse to buy, so without waiting for the reply, the child left the place, leaves the place, every place, right? Number 5, which sight attracted the child most and why? जेते सब देखिला 6-7टा जिनस ता भीतर सब साइटटा कोड देखिला काहे भल लागला ताको. The sight of a roundabout in full swing, men, women, children carried in a whirling motion, and the children they were shouting out of excitement, out of interest. ପିଲେ ସବୁଠୁ ବଡ଼ କଥା ସବୁ ଦେଖି ଦେଖି ଗଲା ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ ଦୋଳି ପାଖରେ ପହଞ୍ଚିଗଲା ପିଲା ସବୁ ବୋଲୁଛନ୍ତି ବଡ଼ ଲୋକମାନେ ବି ତା ଉପରେ ବସିକି ବୋଲୁଛନ୍ତି ତାର ଇଚ୍ଛା ହି ଡିଜାୟାର୍ଡ ହି ୱାଣ୍ଟେଡ ହି wished to enjoy it. So ଦେଖିଲା ବଡ଼ ପାଟିରେ ସବୁ ଫସୁଛନ୍ତି. The children they were laughing, they were crying out of fear and they are shouting. That's why this sight was very very attractive sight for the child, most attractive sight, and the child wanted to enjoy it. Number 6, I want that burfi, I want that garland. What do you understand from these expressions of the child? ସବୁଠି ସେ କହିଛି I want this, I want that. ପିଲା ତା ମନକୁ ରଖିପାରିନି ତା ବାପା ମା ତାକୁ କିଛି କିଣିକି ଦେଉନାହାନ୍ତି. The parents they are not giving anything. The child is afraid of asking his parents. ବାପାକୁ ଭୟ କରୁଛି ବାପା ମାଙ୍କୁ କହୁନି କିଛି କିନ୍ତୁ ସେ ନିଜକୁ ନିଜେ murmuring the desire of any child for any wonderful and attractive thing. ଯେକୌଣସି ପିଲା ହଉ ତା ମନରେ ଯେଉଁ ଆଗ୍ରହ ରହିଛି ତାର ଯେଉଁ ଇଚ୍ଛା ରହିଛି ସବୁ ପିଲା ଚାହିଁବେ ମୁଁ ଏଇଟା ନେବି ମୁଁ ଏଇଟା କିଣିବି ଯେତେ କଲରଫୁଲ୍ ଜିନିଷ beautiful things, wonderful things, attractive things. The children they want to buy, they want to use these things, they want to enjoy these things, right? So now you see we discussed part 2. Let's go to part 3 because I have told you we have 4 parts, small parts, part 2, part 3, part 4, very small parts. In part 2 I showed you 6 pictures. Now you see here you can find 6 pictures. So after getting lost ପିଲା ଯେତେବେଳେ ହଜି ଯାଇଛି କ'ଣ ହେଇଛି ସେ ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ଏବାଉଟ୍ ପାଖରେ ହଜି ଯାଇଛି ତା ବାପା ମାଙ୍କୁ ହି does not get, he is unable to see his parents at the roundabout when he gathered courage. In the summary I have told you ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ଏବାଉଟ୍ ଦେଖିଛି ଆଗରୁ କହୁନଥିଲା ସେଇଠି କହିଲା ବାପା ମା ମୋତେ ଟିକେ ସୁବିଧା ଦିଅ ମୁଁ ଟିକେ ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ଏବାଉଟ୍ରେ ବସିବି. He gathered courage, he was bold enough, but when he uttered and nobody replied, he looked back, he did not find his parents. This is the first part after getting lost in the fair. So bold request of the child and real fear came to the mind. ଆଗରୁ ଟିକେ ଭୟ ଲାଗୁଥିଲା ଯାତ୍ରାକୁ ଦେଖି କିନ୍ତୁ ପ୍ରକୃତ ଭୟ ଏଠି ଆସିଲା ବାପା ମା ନାହାନ୍ତି. Without parents, helplessness of the child is now very very helpless and he started crying, he started sobbing. ଧକେଇକି କାନ୍ଦିଲା ପୁରାପୁରି. He could not stop his cry. He was very much worried and a man helped him, but the child said father mother started crying like this, started sobbing like this, father mother like this, right? So this is the part 3. Let's go to the questions. Part 3 questions. Number 1, again you can find 6 questions here so that you can understand the story better. What is the third part of the story about? The third part is about how the child was lost, how he did not get his parents, how fear came to his mind and tears rolled from his eyes, how he worriedly searches for his parents. He searched for his parents, he ran from place to place, he was very much worried. ଇଆଡ଼କୁ ସିଆଡ଼କୁ ଦୌଡ଼ିଲା ଚାରିଆଡ଼େ ଖୋଜିଲା but he could not find his parents. That's why the text has been titled has been named as the lost child. Number 2, what happened to the child when he did not get any reply to his bold request to go on the roundabout? ପିଲେ ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ କହିଛି ସେ ଦୋଳି ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ କିଛି କହୁନି ବାପା ମାଙ୍କୁ ଗୁଣୁଗୁଣୁ ହେଇକି ତ ମନକୁ ମନ କହୁଛି ମୋତେ ଏଇଟା ଦିଅ ସେଇଟା ଦିଅ କିନ୍ତୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦୋଳି ପାଖରେ ସେ କହିଛି ସେତେବେଳେ ତା ବାପା ମା ଶୁଣି ନାହାନ୍ତି. So he was very bold enough to request his parents to go on a roundabout to sit on the swing. So he turned, what happened? He turned back, looked all sides, no sign of his parents. He did not get his parents. This is what happened to the child, right? And Number 3, where did he ran quickly? So when he did not find his parents, he ran to the temple where a number of people were there. So he ran to the temple. Why did he, or why did the child run quickly towards a temple? The child, looking at the crowding people, he hopes that he would get his parents there. ପିଲାମାନେ ଚାରିଆଡ଼କୁ ଦୌଡ଼ିଲା, ଯେତେବେଳେ ବେଶୀ ଲୋକ ଦେଖିଲା ମନ୍ଦିର ପାଖରେ, he saw a number of people there, crowding people. People are gathering there. He thought his parents would be there. That's why he ran to that place very quickly. But what happened? Number 5. Who lifted the child up and why? A man, a stranger. The child did not know that man, a stranger, ଅଚିହ୍ନା ଲୋକ. Hearing his cry in the highest pitch, ଯେତେବେଳେ ବଡ଼ ପାଟିରେ he started crying, ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦେଖିଲା. And my dear children, you will be very surprised to know that when the child entered into the crowd, what happened? He was squeezed. A number of people were there. He was the smallest child there. So he started helplessly and he started crying with a high pitch, bada patire, ma, bapa, bapa, mother, mother, father, father. He started crying like this. And listening to this, hearing this, the child, when started crying like this, a stranger, a man, came to the child, wanted to help him because the man was very kind, and he lifted the child up. Which words of the child does the child repeat many times in this part? What makes him do so? Father, mother, to highlight the helplessness of the child. ପିଲାମାନେ ମୁଁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ତିନିଟା ପାର୍ଟ ଆମେ ପଢ଼ିଲେ. ତିନିଟା ପାର୍ଟରେ ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ବାରମ୍ବାର କହୁଛି ଯେ ଲେଖକ ଯିଏ ଏତେ ଟ୍ୟାଲେଣ୍ଟେଡ୍ ରାଇଟର, ୱଣ୍ଡରଫୁଲି ହି ହାଜ୍ କ୍ରିଏଟେଡ୍ ଦିସ୍ ଷ୍ଟୋରି. Expression ଭିତରେ ସେ ତାର main idea, he has put the theme of each part in expressions. Come child come, look child look. Then second part, I want this, I want burfi, I want sweets, I want to go on a roundabout, all these things. And third part, the child says, father, mother, this is his crying. And let's go to the last part, what happens. Before going to the questions, let's see the pictures, what happened. Just opposite, reverse, you just see. सेठी देखिथिले पिला लास्ट को बसिक से बुझौछि, एठी देखलेनी पिला आरंभर से बुझौछि. You just see what happened. So part 4, in the fear, feeling and reaction of the lost child. The child is now lost. He does not get his parents. What is his feeling? What is his reaction to the things which were very interesting for him, which were very precious for him, which were very amusing for him, which were very actually very, very interesting and wonderful for the child. So you see the man's attempt to make the child happy. The man tried to make the child happy, wanted to convince the child. He took the child to the roundabout, to the snake charmer, to the flower seller, to the sweetmeat seller, and also he took the child to all the interesting things. ପିଲାମାନେ ଦେଖ ସେ ଗୋଟିଏ ଗୋଟିଏ ପାଖକୁ ନେଲା, କିନ୍ତୁ ସବୁଠି what happens? The child says, I don't need this. ସେ କହୁଥିଲା ତାପରୁ I want this. Now he says, I don't need this. I want my mother. I want my father. ମୋର ବାପା ଦରକାର, ମୋ ମା ଦରକାର, ଆଉ କେହି ମୋର କିଛି ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ. So the mother who was tender to him, but the father who was an angry person, he was also one of the most precious things for the child, like his mother. Right? So my dear children, look at question number 1 of part 4, the last part of the story. What is the last part of the story about? So when we read a story, we should know the main idea first, the global idea, the theme of the part. So what is the theme or what is the main idea of this part, the last part? Parents are everything for a child. The most precious gift or asset to a child is his parents. This is the theme of this part. ପିଲାମାନେ ଏଇ ଯେଉଁ ପାର୍ଟ ଆମେ ପଢ଼ିବା ଏ ଶେଷ ଭାଗରେ ରାଇଟର ସୁନ୍ଦର ଭାବରେ ବ୍ୟୁଟିଫୁଲି ଭେରି ୱଣ୍ଡରଫୁଲି ଫାଣ୍ଟାଷ୍ଟିକାଲି he narrates that parents are the most important things for a child, the most precious thing, precious gift. ए पृथ्वी जहाँ सबुठ मूल्यवान उपहार होउचंती बापा और माँ गोटे पिला ये राइटर सुंदर भाव प्रमाण कर राइट. सो नंबर 2, व्हाट डिड द मैन वांट टू नो फ्रॉम द चाइल्ड? द मैन wanted to know how he came and about his parents. Who are his parents? The stranger, the man who was very kind, who lifted the child off in the crowd when the child was helpless, when the child was crying with a high pitch. ପିଲାଟା ଯେତେବେଳେ ବଡ଼ ପାଟିରେ କାନ୍ଦୁଥିଲା ଯେଉଁ ଦୟାଳୁ ଲୋକ ଯିଏ ତାକୁ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କଲେ ସେ ତାକୁ ପଚାରିଲେ ସେ କେମିତି ଆସିଲା, କିଏ ସେ, who are his parents, all these things, right? Number 3, where did the man take the child first to make him happy? So this man wanted to help the child, he wanted to convince the child, he wanted to change the mind of the child, he wanted to make the child stop crying. So he wanted to take him to the roundabout जो रामदोली जोटा which was very very interesting for the child, which was really wonderful for the child, and which was really one of the desires of the child from his heart. जोटी से हृदय रे चाहूला जोटा बेसी तापी थिला, जोटी से निजे साहस रो सहित बापा माँ को डाकी थिला तापर बसिया पाए. To that place, to that roundabout, the stranger, the man, the kind man took him. But what happened? He said, no, I don't need. I want my mother. I want my father. Right? Number 4. What other stalls did the man show him to convince the child? The man showed him the snake charmer, very attractive sound, magical sound, musical sound of the snake or charmer. The balloon seller, the beautiful, wonderful balloons of different colors, attractive colors. The flower sellers of different colors, garlands. The sweetmeat seller in which or where the child mouth watered, right? जोटी तार लाल होइतला से जगह को भी नेला. But the child rejected everything, refused him to accept anything. He said, I want my mother, I want my father, right? What was the last attempt of the man to change the mind of the child? शेष attempt कौन थिला? The man thought, I have just written the answer in the red color because this is the most important thing. Thought to change his mind by giving a gift of sweets, took him to the counter, asked him about his favorite sweets. Usually we think the sweets are the very very attractive things for the children. So the man took the child to the sweetmeat seller and he wanted to give a gift of sweets, but the child said, no, I don't need. Where his mouth watered, right? Number 6, what was the reaction of the child every time? What did he say to the man at each stall? Every time the child cries, turns his eyes, आँखी बुलाई दिए, देखे नहीं, refuses to take. I want my mother, I want my father, I don't need anything. This was his reply at every stall. Number 7, why did the child lose interest in the things that he had wanted earlier? जोटा से आगो चाहूला बर्तमान तार किसी आग्रह नहीं. Because he is lost. He does not get his father, he cannot find his parents. So without the presence of the parents, everything is useless for him, everything is worthless, everything is uninteresting for him, right? What is the theme of this story? ए गपटारे कौन आमे सबुठ बड़ कथा शिखिले कौन? Parents are to be very careful to understand their children and their need, their desire. So the parents, they should understand the psychology, the mental state, the thought and the feelings of the child. They should understand the children and they should look at their desire and it. This is the most interesting story and wonderful story where the child starts his journey with a lot of enjoyments and interests, but ends the story ends with very painful event incident, right? So let's go to the summary in brief what we discussed. The story has four parts. Part 1 is the biggest of all. In part 1, the writer describes what happened on the way to the fair. He talks about the line of toys, flowering mustard field, dragonflies, raining petals of grove, and the most important expression is come child come, I want that toy, and look child. In part 2, in the fair, the attractive things, flower baskets, sweetmeat seller, flower seller, man holding a pole with balloons, a snake charmer, a roundabout, all these things he wants to enjoy, he wants to buy, and he said, I want this, I want that. And number 3, when the child is lost, he, with bold request, with a lot of courage, he wants to sit in the swing, but real fear comes to his mind. His parents are absent, he is helpless, and his helplessness and sobbing made a stranger come to the child and help him, and the child says father, mother, cries with these expressions. And in the last part, what are the feeling and reaction of the child? Man's attempt to make the child happy. He took the child from roundabout to the sweetmeat seller. All things which were very interesting, wonderful, attractive for him, they were rejected by the child, and the child said, I want my mother, I want my father. This is all about the lost child. So my dear children, how beautifully the story writer begins the story and ends the story, and he ends the story in suspension whether the child would get back his parents or not. ସେ ତା ବାପା ମାଙ୍କୁ ଫେରି ପାଇବ କି ନାହିଁ, this is up to you, right? And usually we can say yes, the child will get back. It is easy nowadays, but it was difficult some years ago. It is easy nowadays because we have different medias, they can help us. Okay, thank you very much. I think the time is going to be over and you understand this beautiful story. Please do all the activities, all the questions which have been given in your textbook. You write answers and read the story, enjoy it, and again understand better. Thank you very much. Goodbye. See you in the next session.